Did you know? You can manage your Spacetalk cell phone plan from the online portal. Getting started is simple. You can access the Spacetalk portal by visiting spacetalkmobile-us.gigs.com. First, you'll need to log in by clicking Sign In at the bottom. Enter your email address and hit Continue. Then verify with the code sent to your email address. Here's some of the things you can do on the dashboard. Click on Subscription Details for more information on your plan, or to update a new SIM number for when your SIM is lost or damaged, or to cancel your plan. Click on the settings icon in the top right to update your account details. You will see this page when you click Subscription Details. Click on the arrow next to your SIM information to update your SIM number. Click Subscription Settings on the top right for canceling your plan. Here are your account details when you select the settings icon. Click on the arrows to update your information. Click on Payment Method to update your credit card details. Click on Payment History to see your past transactions. Now that you have seen what you can do on Spacetalk's portal, it's always available for you to manage your account. For more help, visit spacetalk.co/support.